Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom Windows PE exactly the way you want it. First, you need to download a tool called Win10xb. Have a Windows ISO file ready. I recommend using Windows 1122H2. Extract the file you just downloaded. Next, extract File 1, and Files 2 and 3 will automatically extract along with it. You can remove any unnecessary items. Next, mount the Windows 1122H2 ISO file. Copy everything inside. Create a folder and paste them there. Alright, now open the Win10xb tool. Select the folder where you just copied all the ISO files. Select the edition you want to create. I'm going to choose the Pro Edition. I recommend checking all the boxes in the left pane. Then we'll head back to the Build Core section to get to work. Review the options that fit your needs and customize them as you wish. I'm going to try adding drivers. Since my machine uses a Core 7150U CPU, I need the Intel RST driver for the 15th generation, so I'll copy my driver in to test it out. Now that I've successfully added the driver, I'm going to move on to the next part. Now, I'm going to add other software to WinPE. You can add portable applications to run within the WinPE environment. The creator of this tool has also provided very clear instructions here. You just need to follow them. I have some portable software ready, and I'm going to copy it here. So, the addition was successful. There are many other build options here. You can explore them further. I almost forgot. I haven't checked the Use Custom folder box yet. Now, we are going to create the Windows PE ISO file. All you need to do is click the play button in the top right corner of the screen. The first time you do this, it will ask you to download the Windows ADK. Just accept. Once finished, a WinPE ISO file will be created right in the Tools folder. Now, I'll use Rufus to create a WinPE bootable USB. I'm going to plug in the USB. I will select the WinPE ISO file we just created. I will keep the default settings and click Start. I've finished creating the bootable USB. Now, I'm going to restart my computer and boot from the USB. I'll scroll down and find my USB. I've successfully booted into Windows PE. The speed is incredibly fast. As you can see, all of my hard drives are displayed fully. Only the Windows partition is currently hidden, so I'm going to check it in Disk Management. As you can see, my hard drive has all its partitions. I'm going to double-check the system hardware. As you can see, I'm using a CPU with a 15th generation architecture. This confirms that I have successfully added the hard drive drivers for the 15th generation. Now, I'm going to access Drive X and find the software I added to see if it works. As you can see, the applications I added are working normally and stably. One very convenient thing here is that you can add as many tools as you want. You can use it effectively for computer recovery or reinstalling Windows if you include various modern utility tools. I personally love this convenience because it's lightweight, containing only the tools I need without being cluttered by unnecessary apps. While some WinPE builds require a paid subscription to access all their features, with this version, simply collecting drivers and adding the tools you want is incredibly easy. You can manually add network drivers. Good luck to all of you. My video ends here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.